guys, my name is Sanjay Misra. Today we will learn about how to configure FortiGate Firewall. So I open my EVENG machine. I hope you all know about the EVENG machine. It is a simulator where we can learn about the Fortinet, Palo Alto, Checkpoint and the many technologies. So we will start without delay how to configure Fortinet firewall. So you can see this is my device Fortinet and this is my device Windows. So I connect the cable with the Fortinet firewall port number 1. This is port number 1. It is my Fortinet port number. You can see here port number 1 connect with the my firewall Fortinet firewall, and E0 Ethernet 0 is connected by the my Windows machine. So now we can save it and right click on the devices and start the option. One click on the Fortinet device and you will see it is starting here, same as we will click on the Windows machine and you can see start Windows. Normally we can hit enter, it is starting. It will take some moments. My Fortinet firewall started. Its login username is admin. Password is nothing. Hit enter. It will show you new password. Then you must have give the new password admin. Again I will give admin. It is open. So first we will see about the interface of my firewall. So we will run the command show interface, show system interface, and you can see here there are a lot of interface: port number 1, port number 2, port number 3 and port number 4. You can see there are several ports, and one thing more, you can see port number 1 of my FortiGate firewall, and there is some information: set VDOM root. Generally all the ports under the VDOM root. We will talk about the VDOM later. And also you can see set more DHCP. What it means: my FortiGate firewall port number 1 is working. Its behavior is just like DHCP client. Whenever I will connect my FortiGate firewall with port number 1 to internet, it will take automatically IP. So now I am going to configure the port number 1. Let's see here. config system interface. We need to edit port first, so I edit port 1. Guys, you can see here this is DHCP interface. So first I will make it static, otherwise we can't give the IP. So we will configure, run the command here, set mode static. Then we will give the IP address, set IP 192.168.1.1. Here we have two options to give the subnet mask. First we can see 24/value ORR. We can also give 255.255.255.255.255.0 as we will give the IOS, Cisco IOS, and hit enter. We need to configure some services for the allow to FortiGate server access. So we need to allow services, set allow access HTTPS, HTTP, ping, telnet, SSH. Then we need to save the configuration. We need to give the command end, and when we will give the command end, all the configuration will be saved. And now I will go to my Windows machine and give the password 123. First we have to check my interface adapter and give the same range IP to my Windows machine. IP config, you can see here this is IP. So I need to give the IP CPL. Go to the property and go to the TCP IP version 4. Here we have two options: obtain an IP address automatically, means it is for DHCP, and use the following IP address, it is for the static. So we will use static. So I will select the use IP following IP address and give the IP address 192.168.1.2 and subnet mask. I will hit tab button, it will automatically give the subnet mask. Then again I will hit tab button and I will give it default gateway. So my default gateway is 192.168.1.1. guys, we don't have need right now configure the DNS server, because I will not go to the internet right now. So I will save the configuration and go to the command prompt again and ping my gateway. Yes, you can see here I am able to ping my gateway. Then I will go to my browser. I will give the my FortiGate Firewall IP http http://192.168.1.1. hit enter. Yes, you can see here my FortiGate Firewall login page is open, and give the username and password. admin admin password is also admin, and login. Yes, you can see here it is asked to me that I can save my password, but right now I will not save my password, so I will select the never button. Then I will go to the begin. I can change my firewall name. FW then select OK. Yes, you can see I change my Windows display resolution first. Here you can see failed to the load introduction videos. So guys, when we will first time login in my FortiGate firewall, it give us one videos for introduction purpose, but right now it is failed because this is not my licensed firewall. So I will select don't show again and OK. And you can see here this is my firewall name, which is I have changed FW80. This is my dashboard, status, security, network, user and devices, signaling, FortiView secure, FortiView destinations. Here you can see also interface, DNS, packet capture, SD-WAN, static routes, policy, RIP, OSPF, BGP, routing object, multicast. Also we can see here about the policy, firewall policy, IPv version 4 DOS policy, addresses, internet service and database services, schedule, virtual IPs, which is also known as destination, IP pool protection. Here you can see security parameters, antivirus, web filtering, video filtering, DNS filter, application control, intrusion prevention, file filter, SSH inspection, application signatures, IPS signatures, web rating override, web profile override, VPN. So guys, you can see here multiple options in my FortiGate firewall.